In this question, we have to find the value of diffusivity for methane-ethane system at 756 Kelvin and 1 atmospheric pressure by using two different methods. First one is by using the empirical graph along with the empirical equation for diffusivity. Second method is by using Chapman-Enskog relation with Lennard-Jones parameters from the given table. Let's take methane as species A and ethane as species B. From the table, we have noted down the values of critical temperature as well as critical pressure for both species A and species B. We have also noted down the molecular weights of species A and species B. Beginning with the solution, empirical equation for critical diffusivity is given by the following equation. Substituting all values, we get the value of critical diffusivity. Now we find reduced temperature and reduced pressure using the given two equations. This is the graph of reduced temperature versus reduced self-diffusivity. Now as we know the reduced temperature and we know the pressure curve, we can plot and find out the value of reduced diffusivity. From the graph using the values of reduced temperature and reduced pressure, we get the value of reduced diffusivity as follows. We know that actual diffusivity is the product of reduced diffusivity and critical diffusivity. Hence, we can find out the value of actual diffusivity from this equation. Now in part B, we have to find out the value of diffusivity using Chapman-Enskog equation. From the given data, we know the individual values of epsilon by K and sigma for both species A and B. Beginning with the solution, the average value of epsilon A B by K is given by this formula, and the average value of sigma AB is given by this formula. By using the above equation, we can find the value of KT by epsilon AB, and by using this value of KT by epsilon AB, we can find out the value of collision integral from the given table. Now substituting all these values into Chapman-Enskog equation, we get the value of diffusivity as follows. We have solved this problem by two different methods, and as we can see, the value of diffusivities obtained by two different methods are quite close to each other. This marks the completion of the problem.